Looking for the ultimate circular saw to power through lumber and plywood in 2025? We've tested the top models, corded and cordless, to help you find the perfect fit. Whether you're a pro or a DIYer, this guide will save you time, money, and headaches. Let's cut straight to the best options out there. Number 1. Bosch 18-volt Cordless Circular Saw. This is as close to perfection as we've seen. With a standard 7.25-inch blade and an 8H battery, it weighs just 11.6 pounds total, making it surprisingly nimble. But the real standout? It's compatible with Bosch's aluminum guide track. No special shoe or hardware needed. Just lay down the track, and this saw glides across like it's on rails, delivering cuts with table saw precision. Adjusting the cutting depth is smooth and simple, thanks to a thumb latch above the trigger. Just push it forward, press down, and fine-tune the shoe with one hand. There's also an eco mode to conserve battery on lighter jobs, plus 6 speed settings for everything from thin plywood to full-depth lumber. Add in a battery readout display, and this saw nails power, precision, and practicality. Number 2. Skilsaw Sidewinder Circular Saw. This corded circular saw delivers raw power and speed that serious pros will appreciate. Its 15-amp motor rips through lumber with ease, fast enough to keep up on any job site. The electronic brake is a standout feature, stopping the blade the instant you release the trigger, so you're ready for the next cut in seconds. A built-in dust blower keeps your cut line clean and visible, improving both accuracy and workflow. It's not the cheapest option, but for unlimited runtime and professional-grade performance, it's well worth the investment. Number 3. Skil 15-amp Corded Circular Saw. Skil practically invented the circular saw, and that legacy shows in this budget-friendly corded model. It's impressively accurate, comfortable to hold, and easy to adjust, especially the cut depth. The shoe stays perfectly aligned with the blade, making clean cuts easy to achieve. Don't let the price fool you. The 15-amp motor delivers serious torque. Even with the blade fully buried in lumber, it ripped through without hesitation. A bright power indicator light is a nice safety touch too, letting you know when the tool's live. For the price, it's a standout performer.
Number 4.
Hart HPCS 25 Circular Saw. The 20-volt Hart circular saw isn't built for framing houses, but it's surprisingly capable for DIY jobs. In our tests, it handled Douglas fir and even powered through a 4x4. Though, push it too hard and the thermal cutoff will kick in. Still, for light-duty cuts, it delivers. We liked the spindle lock, which makes blade changes fast and easy, and the ambidextrous safety latch is user-friendly whether you're right or left-handed. It's a solid budget option for homeowners who want a dependable saw for occasional lumber work. Number 5. DeWalt 20V Cordless Circular Saw. DeWalt beefed up its 20V cordless circular saw with FlexVolt compatibility, giving it serious muscle. Pop in the 2060V battery and it powers through cut after cut, so many that we ran out of 2x4s before the charge ran out. The trade-off? A bit more weight, but it's worth it. It's comfortable to use too, with smart handle placement and a grippy rubber texture. The electric brake stops the blade almost instantly, adding an extra layer of safety. If you're going cordless but still want pro-grade performance, this is the circular saw to beat. So, which saw stands above the rest? Our top pick is the DeWalt 20V Cordless Circular Saw. With excellent power, battery life, and precision, it's the perfect all-rounder for job sites and home projects alike. Don't forget to check the links below for the latest prices and deals.